welcome back to my channel, and those who are new to this channel, kindly make sure that you subscribe to this channel for the latest tech updates and the tech knowledge. So I've made a dedicated playlist of this 5 days of the AI agents course so that you don't have to find the video, you get all of that in just one playlist. So today is finally day 3 of the 5 days of the AI agents course. So you might have received a mail like this where you have received a link of the summary podcast, the white paper and the 2 code labs. So in this video I would be covering the first code lab. So let's start with the first code lab. In this you have to basically come to section 6 directly, because in the above section there is only theory and all. Okay, so come to section 6 directly. Now right click on this window icon and open the terminal admin. You can do the same in the anti-gravity IDE terminal also, or you can do it in the normal terminal opening as admin. So I'm in this video I'm doing it in the Windows PowerShell terminal and opening with the admin. Just type AGY and you will be signed into the anti-gravity IDE. Okay, so now I will paste the first command in the section 6, which is to setup. And whenever any option comes, you just have to press enter. That will select yes. Okay, so I will just fast forward this video so that much of your time is not wasted. So all the dependencies would be installed, and whenever the options came, as I said, just press enter and it will select yes. Okay, so I didn't want to just cut any part of the video, so I just fast forwarded it so you can see all the dependencies are installing one by one. Okay, so now go back to your code lab, copy this command and just paste it in your terminal and hit enter. So let's keep this video in 2x just to save your time. In the meantime, go to your browser, type Google AI Studio, and you have to basically create the API key. So click on this get started option and you will end up in an interface like this. Now click on dashboard so that you can see your API keys. So I have already made API keys for my previous projects. I'm just copying it. If you don't have it, just create new on clicking on the top right option. Now paste your API key in the notepad, go back to your code lab, copy this command, export Gemini API key and paste this also. Now copy Control X your API key which you have pasted in your notepad before, and paste it in place of your Gemini API key in the quotations. Remember, you have to keep your API key in the quotations. Now Control A and Control C or Control X, your choice, and paste it in your terminal. Okay, so this will basically give the environment variable to your project. Now as we have given the environment to a project, let's test our project. So just copy this command and paste it in your terminal. Okay, and let the command show its magic. Now go back to a code lab, copy this command. This will basically create an interactive web playground, and paste this command in your terminal. So if you have attended last like 5 days AI agents course which happened in like November 2025 or December, you have to build manually this interactive playground, and believe me, it was such a hectic and a hard task to just get to this interactive playground using the Google SDK. Like many of the people face too many errors, including me. I just tried to build my capstone project and I faced a lot of errors. So I think it's just a good idea to introduce these agents. Like, you have to just run one command now and your interactive web playground is ready. So this command would take some time, so just sit back and relax and sip a cup of water. And yeah, just remember to hit enter whenever it asks for any permission, like do you want to proceed, just hit enter. So finally, like after minutes of waiting, we have got our link. Just click on this link and you will be directed to your ADK environment, that is the agent development kit. So let's just test it. Type hello. It has responded us with hello, how can I help you. Now let's just test our agent development kit according to the code lab. So here we ask like, how are you? We ran in the terminal, right? Now let's just run it here also. So it has replied us with, I'm doing great, thank you for asking. Now let's ask the weather, as it is a weather assistant, so we are asking the weather, like how is the weather today. So it's asking us the location, as it cannot give the weather of all these states and like places. So it has asked us specifically like, of which state do you want to see the weather. So I have replied with Delhi. And by this time it's taking time to respond, you can also explore other features like you have these traces where you get to know which agent is taking how much time to respond. And in the left hand side you have the info where you get the chart of how the execution is taking place, and you have the record of events which are taking place. Then you have how much tokens it is consuming while executing your message and while giving you a reply. And we have the raw JSON file. In the info it contains all the information about the ID, branch, and like author. Like we have the root agent, okay, and then the root agent is giving commands to other two agents. So from here you can select your app which you have built, or any other. If you have like built 2 or 3 apps, you can suggest it. So here's the root agent. It is giving instructions to the weather for knowing the weather, and to the time for knowing the time. So this will execute. It would take some time, but it would surely execute in some time. So with this you have completed your first lab assignment of the day 3. And I hope you guys enjoyed the lab as much as I did. And believe me, this agent thing is completely a revolution, because last time when I like built this agent development kit, it took me days, literally days. Let's just check whether our code labs have been completed. On the pop-up option, just click on view profile and you would be directed to this interface. Just click on learning and the batch details, and you will see the name of the lab which you have completed here. This ensures that you have successfully completed the lab. See, I'm seeing authoring Google Antigravity Skills June 17, and this was the lab of the day 3. So this was all for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. So just like this video, subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hack my video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.